Alright, so been getting some good days for some thawing out here. So I've been assessing some of the more back property and clearing up some of the stuff that's easy to push over. Some of these branches, I tell you, they're like, a lot of them have already been falling, and this place has just been so neglected that, you know, I can push them over and go ahead and just put them in a pile. So I'll show you some of that. And yep, sure enough, I got my tractor stuck. It's pretty bad. So yeah, good times. Ain't that a pretty sight? So this was the little patch that I had cleared out, and I did a little more too, so I pretty much have enough room for the cat tunnel. You can see all the work I had to do all by hand. I may do just some more over here, probably another 3 feet, and then on each side I'm going to have to dig out some areas to put the posts in on the other end to tie down. So here's where that bed is right here. We unraveled some chicken wire. We're going to be building a chicken coop here soon with some of the stuff we have back here. We have a lot of stuff in this shed over here. I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, we're getting some stuff melted over here. I'm able to come back here and assess everything that's going on. So all these trees were falling down. They're, you know, small trees, but they're everywhere, and they all were falling. You can see one back here. So the whole, you know, there's a bunch of them back here that were already falling. There were some deer or moose, rub their antlers, but it is just a big mess back here. Look at all this stuff here. Got to clean up, and I want to get a chipper to chip all this stuff. Just put it in the chipper and use the wood chips. So we're back here by this shed over here. But this is, the previous owner had taken apart or cut some parts from a trailer. I'm going to use this side. It's probably like a 4x4 area that we're going to use for the chicken coop, and then I'll probably do like 6 feet going that way and use this for the side. I got some other windows here that I don't know if I'll use it for the same project, but the cranks work and everything. There's a screen and glass, so perfect for any kind of project as far as a coop. And over here on this side, we've got these screens here, these old school windows, really cool. You've got some really cool styling to them. We'll probably just sell those, but they're pretty cool. You know, you can definitely hang them and use them as far as like an antique piece. Yeah, so here's one of the rolls of chicken wire we have, and it's a good, I would say 70 feet. So this is just one roll. We have like 2 here. I found another one in the back. Got some chain link. Also seeing some tin siding over here we're going to use for the roof. So that'll work out well for the coop. But I'm going to show you also what's inside here in this outbuilding. Got some nice timber in here. Really nice shape stuff, like old, so good quality wood that's in there, and old tiller. So I'll be utilizing as much as I can of that wood. So more to come on that. So our plan is to get, and we already talked to this local here, and that is to get some year-old laying hens first off. We're not going to get chicks right away. We'll just go ahead and get some laying hens and try and go from there. So I'll name a few of the types of chickens that we're going to be using right away, and let me know in your comments on the type that we're going to be using, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys are well.